how to improve this tree. Slowly. I very like this tree. I've done some work with this tree since last 2 years when I dug up it from my garden. There are lots of deadwood parts. I also earlier one of this apex which was right there, and I've created a new tree. So this was one of the apex here, and now as you can see after earlier grows quite vigorously. Last year I also create deadwood from the second branch and I want to build canopy there. But now I need to think what to do with this tree. Lots of flaws there. The branches are going too far away from this trunk, and this trunk also doesn't have a lot of taper here. Tree looks quite nice, but there are lots of problems or lots of decisions to take. So first of all, I've put it to this training pot 1.5 years ago, and now I decided that this front is not the best front for this tree. I would say this will be a much better front. Tree will look more compact. There are lots of dry branches after the winter actually. So first of all, I'm going to clean those parts. I would say that this is quite important, as when you do this kind of work, you can study the tree in the same time. So this also will help me to check the branches conditions and maybe even find some solutions. Some parts I can pinch, some I can cut off. I will also wire this tree, and hopefully I will refresh the deadwood, or even maybe I will add some new part. Okay, we'll back to this tree when it will be cleaned, and then I will show you what I'm going to do. Okay, more or less it was cleaned, and we can start to work with this tree with this lower branch. When this was a front, this branch was go on the right side, but with new front, this branch will go in front of view, which is not ideal. So I think I have to first change it to go more on the right side, and then I think it should be shortened a little bit. For sure this part is too long, I can cut it, and I can analyze this tree after every step I'm going to do. This branch going too much to the front, and I've noticed that I have two small branches right here. So the question is, do I need this part? To give more character of this tree, I'm going to do something like I did here before. So the ends of these branches can be turned into the deadwood. Now I can use this deadwood part to bring this branch more to the right side. I will anchor it right here. And there are my future branches which I can develop to build the path here. I'm thinking about this one also. I've put the 2 pieces of wire here just to create a pad. I try to build more compact branch. You can see there's always place for improvement. I believe I don't need this branch. So now this branch looks much better than before. It was shortened, and also the direction go more on the right side according to this new front. Let's check what we can do on the other side. First of all, I don't want this branch to be too long. It should be closer to this beautiful deadwood here. So I'm going to cut it back. I have a pad here with very nice deadwood right there, and this will be future apex for this pad. I wired also these upper branches right now. I will see if I will have a back that's there in the future. This back branch will give me some depth for this branch, and I have little pads right there. Before we'll check this upper part of this tree, I have also one branch here. It's quite straight branch, and I left it for now as a sacrificial branch to make those lower part of this trunk a little bit thicker, to still build at least a little more taper. Now I am going to do similar things with those branches. So first I will cut this what is unnecessarily, like this branch here. Then I will wire it, and at the end I will position it. As you can see, I've cut a few branches and I wired this tree, and now we can position those branches. First of all, this branch is quite important. As you can see, there is a huge gap between the branches right there. So this branch needs to fill this space. And now, as you can see, this space is much smaller. I wasn't sure what to do with this branch, but I'm putting here quite thick wire. And I can try to put it a little bit lower and on your left side. Yeah. Position this branch too. Then I will have this 3 pads on your right side. As now I have new front, I need to also adjust it a little bit. Do I know what to do with this one? I'm not sure. I tried to maybe build one little path here to make this branch a little bit more interesting. Now this one will be part of this, and here I believe it would looks like better like this, and maybe I will also create a little apex for this this branch. I don't have actually idea how I should put those branches. I think now it looks better than before. I will think about this path in the future for sure. And for beautiful apex I will have to wait a little bit longer. Those branches are quite weak, quite small. There's not much I can do right now. But I can try to think about future leader. And I hope I will build a canopy somewhere here. I'm still not sure if I will leave this deadwood here or I will cut it off, but for now I can imagine this canopy, and maybe it will also give some character. And this is the tree after cutting, wiring and positioning the branches. Like I said in the beginning, it is just a small step for future beautiful bonsai. I believe those lower branches looking really nice. I will have to work with apex in the future, but this is not the end of today's work. Still I need to clean this trunk and refine this deadwood, and I think I will try to make a little bit deadwood here on the top, as with this new front you can't see it. So I'm going to do it right now. Now we can see this part, and a little bit higher this one from the front. Okay, so now I have a little bit deadwood right here, and there is a continuation. It's getting older and it's getting more beautiful. So I will put the lime sulfur on those places where I have dead parts, and tomorrow I will have beautiful white deadwood here. Now it's cleaned. We can see better the places where I want to put lime sulfur. So I will take lime sulfur and we'll see the end result. Even if I have plastic foot, I prefer to protect it from this lime sulfur. If you think that you have to spend lots of time and many years to have this kind of tree, let's check how it looks when I bought it. It was little stick, just a little stick. So as you can see, yellow deadwood, we can see all the places where this deadwood was done before, with this new part also here. And now let's see the end result. And this is the end result after the night. As you can see, we have beautiful white deadwood here. The tree was shaped, was cutted, and I hope it has a bright future. Would you prefer this as a front or this new front? You can let me know in the comment what do you think about it. I will also add a small figure here, as I really like this kind of stuff. So for now you can just compare this tree with the tree which was on the beginning of this movie, and I need to admit that I'm very happy with this transformation. And next year I'm going to repot this tree to this beautiful bonsai pot. I think it will look spectacular. If you would like to see it, you can just hit the subscribe button to not miss it. So thank you for today.